Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beetroot salad. To make this salad, first we have to get the beetroot boiled. So I'm going to add it into boiling water and I'm going to boil it for nearly 20 minutes. Also make sure you wash the beetroot well before you start boiling it. So now I'm going to check how far the beetroots are boiled using a fork. We do this the same way when we boiling potatoes. The beetroots are half boiled, so I'm going to boil it more. So after boiling the beetroot nearly to 15 to 20 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to peel it off now. I'm going to cut the both edges first and then to peel the skin out. You can cut the beetroot into any shape you prefer. So the beetroot is ready now and it's cooled down. So let's make the salad. I'm going to add the beetroot into the bowl first. Then I'm adding a 1 medium size onion diced, 1 medium size tomato diced, and 2 green chilies chopped. Then I'm adding some pepper and some salt. Then I'm adding some lime juice. So now let's give it a good mix. Look how simple this salad is and how easy to be prepared. So now my beetroot salad is ready to be served, and this is a very healthy recipe. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please try this recipe when you have all ingredients at home. If you like my cooking, please subscribe to my channel and please share these recipes with your friends as well. So this is all for today. Let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.